Good afternoon, viewers. You are welcome to John Phones Repairs and Accessories. Today, I want to show you one amazing electronic device called OTG. This device is called OTG. OTG, the full meaning is on the go adapter. On the go adapter. What's the function of this device? In fact, it's very amazing. This is used for connecting USB drive or pen drive to a phone. We use it for transferring files like videos, music, photos from pen drive to phone or from phone to pen drive. You have different types of OTG. You see this type? And we have another type which is like cable. You insert the pen drive here, and this is like Android charger which will connect to your phone. You have different device here called memory reader. You insert your memory card. It is like USB, and any device or any machine that uses USB, after inserting your memory card, you insert it on that device and you use that memory card instead of using memory adapter. And that one too, we have different types like this, and we have different type like this. Here you can insert your memory card, and that wide area you can set the memory card in the memory adapter and insert it here. You have something here like USB cord. You insert it on the device you are using the memory card. It's very nice, and this is very cheap. It's not costly. You can buy it. This is another device called car MP3 player. This device is used for playing music in the car, and also it can charge your phone in your car. You can connect your pen drive or memory card. This is the cable type. You have a different type which is the Bluetooth. You insert your pen drive here and use it, and you can use Bluetooth. Any Bluetooth device near you, you can connect it to it. It is wireless, and then you use it. As simple as that. Aside the car MP3 player, you have car charger. This is used for only charging your phone in your car. You use it for charging phones in cars, not for playing music, for only charging, and it is very fast. We have another Bluetooth device here. It looks like this. It's a Bluetooth device we use to connect to our phones and any Bluetooth device. It is very nice. Those who knows it will be with me. And we have different type here. As it is in the pod, it is charging. You can use one and you can use the two of them at the same time. You have headsets, different types of phone protector or screen protector or screen guide, different types. Batteries, normal batteries and original batteries, inbuilt and removable. Also we have phone chargers, phone covers, tablets, smartphones, and many more. Mini speakers, we have an amazing charger cord here known as twin head. Let's see how it is. It is charger cord. You see the Android charging port pin, and here is for iPhones. So right now you will use your Android charger when connecting when you want to charge your iPhone. You insert it like this, and then you use your iPhone. You use to charge your iPhone. This is rechargeable fan. At the same time, it is light. It is folding. This cord also connects your hands-free or normal hands-free to the iPhone, so you are not going to buy that costly iPhone headset or hands-free. You just connect our normal headset or hands-free to your iPhone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and then share. This is Pigeons Media. You can follow us.